So now we are moving to question number 14. So 52 cards are there in a deck, and there are 4 suits, and each suit has 13 cards, out of which 3 are face cards in each suit. Okay, so this is the composition of cards that you have to understand before doing this question, attempting. Now the question is, one card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color, a face card, a red face card, a jack of hearts, a spade, the queen of diamonds. So these are the different parts. So first we'll move. So we know total number of cards are 52. So total number of well shuffled deck, they say 52 cards are there. Now we'll write down the formula before moving to different parts, so that we just have to write one. So number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Okay, so now first part it says king of red color. King of red color. Okay, so there are 2 suits, right? 2 suits of red, correct? So there will be 2 kings, so that is my favorable outcome. 2 kings of red color will be there. Okay, so my probability of having a king of red color will be equal to 2 out of 52, 2 by 52. So this is equal to 1 by 26. That's my answer. Now second part is a face card. So in each suit each suit has 3 face cards. Okay, ace is not counted as a face card, you have to remember that. Okay, so 3 face cards are there. What are they? King, queen and jack. So these are basically the face cards, right? So they are asking in the whole deck, so there are 4 suits. Okay, so 4 suits will have 3 into 4, 12 face cards. So this is my favorable outcome, right? So my probability of getting a face card will be equal to 12 by 52. So 4 3s are 12 and 13 4s are 52, right? So 3 by 13, that will be my answer. Now I move to third part of this question. So third part says a red face card, right? So red face card, how many face cards are there in suits? In previous part also we did. So each suit has 3 face cards, and there are 2 red suits, right? There are only 2 red suits. They will have 3 into 2, 6 face cards. There will be 6 face cards. So my probability of having a red face card will be equal to 6 by 52, right? So this will be 2 3s are 2, 26. So 3 by 26 will be my answer. Okay, now let's move to fourth part. So fourth part says the jack of hearts. So there is only one jack of hearts, right? So there is only one card. Okay, so probability of getting the jack of hearts, or this event you can write down, will be equal to 1 by 52. That's my answer. Okay, fifth part now. fifth part is a spade. Okay, so there are 4 suits, 13 of each, right? So there are 13 spade cards, we know that, correct? So that is my favorable outcome. So probability of getting a spade will be equal to 13 by 52, so 1 by 4 will be my answer. Okay, now sixth one, the queen of diamonds. The queen of diamonds, right? So there will be only one queen of diamonds, right? One queen of diamond. So now we have probability of this event will be equal to, you can write down this thing again, or you can write down like this. So probability of this elementary event will be equal to 1 by 52. So now let's move to question number 15. So question number 15 says 5 cards, the 10, jack, queen, king and ace of diamonds are well shuffled with their face downwards. One card is then picked up at random. Then there are 2 parts of this question. So what is the probability that the card is the queen? And second, if the queen is drawn and put aside, what is the probability that the second card picked up is an ace and a queen, right? Okay, so now first we'll write down the data what is given in the question. So there are 5 cards. So total cards are 5. Okay, so we know total number of outcomes are 5. Okay, so 10 is 1, then we have 1 jack and 1 queen and 1 king and 1 ace, right? So these are the 5 cards. They are well shuffled, they are put down. Now one card is picked up at the random. So first I'll write down the formula of my probability. So probability says number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes, right? So total number of outcomes. So we know that there are total number of outcomes are 5. So again I'll move to first part of the question. So what is the probability that card is the queen, right? So they are asking for queen. So probability of getting queen, right? So we know the formula, there is only one queen and total number are 5. So that should be my answer. Then I move to the second part. So what does the second part says? Second part says if the queen is drawn and put aside, right? So now in second part my total cards are 4 only, because we have taken out the card and queen and then we have put it aside. So now what is the probability that the second card picked up is an ace, right? So a part of it, so we want the ace. So probability of getting ace will be equal to, there is only one ace now out of those 4 cards, so that will be equal to 1 by 4. That's my answer. Now in B part they are asking what is the probability of getting a queen, right? But there is no queen now because we have already put that aside, right? So now getting a queen will be equal to 0 by 4. So that will be equal to 0. That's my answer.